Hi guys, here is how you can activate the Group Policy Editor on Windows. Let me go to the Start menu and type Run and enter, and type gpedit.msc. If you see this alert, that means Group Policy is not available on your Windows edition. Group Policy is only available for Windows Pro, Education and Enterprise, but we can enable it. For that, we have created this bat file. You can simply double-click on it and it will enable Group Policy. If you want to see the codes inside, you can open a notepad. Drag the file. And this is the code it is being used. Anyway, double-click on it and run. So here are some errors. We need to run this as an administrator. This will install a few things, and it will take some time. It is done. You can restart your PC too. You can delete this as well. Anyway, let me again go to the Start menu, type Run, and let's run gpedit.msc. You can see it is working. And this code works for Windows 11 too. So on Windows 11, let's try to run gpedit.msc. As you can see, it is not available. Let's run the bat file as an administrator. So it is done. And let's run the same command. And it is working all good. Thank you very much.